Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Firefox and going straight to Settings. Click the menu identical to then Settings or Preferences. Once visible, locate Privacy and Security and scroll to Permissions. That's where location lives. Make sure location permission is not blocked globally, because if it is, you can't change site-specific behavior until you unblock it. Once done, leave Settings open. You'll use it again to manage site exceptions and to adjust the default behavior for all websites. Now, in Permissions, click Settings. Beside Location, a dialog appears listing sites with Allow, Block, or Ask. You'll change an entry by selecting it and choosing Allow to grant access or Block to deny it permanently. Ask will prompt each visit. If a site uses an old decision, highlight it and remove website so the site will ask again. Make sure to press Save. If you skip saving, your changes won't apply and you'll keep the old behavior. Finish by handling advanced or persistent cases. Open Developer Tools, right arrow Settings, right arrow Enable Show Sensors, and then use the Sensors panel to override geolocation with exact coordinates for testing. Alternatively, install a trusted extension that spoofs location. Make sure it's updated and reviewed. If a site still reports the wrong place, clear site cookies and site data, then reload. Troubleshooting tip: if location still fails, restart Firefox and check OS-level location/privacy settings. Make sure to allow Firefox there as well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.